thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I'm Jill Bauer and you are watching Just Jill Bauer. So glad to have you here. I love sharing recipes with all of you, and today I am sharing one of the easiest fudge recipes I know. So this delicious creamy fudge only takes a couple of ingredients, and they're ingredients that you can find just about anywhere. What you're going to be starting with is delicious creamy white chocolate, and you're going to be folding big chunks of your favorite chocolate cream-filled sandwich cookie to make this wonderful cookies and cream fudge. This is one of those recipes that when you make it once, you're going to want to make it again because it's great to keep for yourself, but it's also wonderful to share as a gift. See how easy it was to make this fudge? I hope that you share this with people that you love. It's great during the holiday season or anytime you sort of get that candy attack. I love to put it in a pretty container, but really when anybody receives this, they're not going to care how they get it. It is just so good. I'd love to know if you like this recipe, so be sure to click on the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more great recipes from me here at Just Jill Bauer. Yum.